Need to send money abroad with Wise? Here's how to do it quickly and securely. Open the Wise app and log in. On the home screen, you can see the button Send or Send Money. Tap on it. Now, enter the amount you want to send and select the currency. Wise will show you the exchange rate and fees upfront. Next, choose your recipient. You can send money to a saved contact or enter a new bank account. Once that's done, select a payment method, bank transfer, card, or balance, and review the details. If everything looks good, hit confirm and pay. Your transfer will now be processed. You can track it in real time under the Activity tab. If the payment fails, check your bank settings or try a different method. Where are you sending money to? Drop a comment below. And that's it. Your money is on its way. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.